foxglove. But this plant, it's poisonous. You know that? When you see it blooming, you take a photo, you leave it. Don't be attempt to take it with your hands. You probably forget it. If you bring it to your face, to your eyes, you may have a problem. This particular plant, they use it to make a medicine for a heart problem. Strawberry. De mirtilho. Zo'n mirtilho, um fruto, dá um fruto, fica escuro, pequenito. O nosso é pequenito, mas é comestível, pode comer. É um mirtilho, a ovelha da serra. We start on the top, we're walking down, this is the house of Rabassal. We're going to go in Risco waterfall, we're going to come back, we're going to do the steps here. Inside, this is where we're going to do our picnic stop. And then we come back all the way, ignoring these steps, all the way crossing the tunnel. This is why we need our torch. 800 meter long tunnel. This is where we're going to finish our walk. Okay? Started the construction of the Levadas on the 15th century, initially to do with the irrigation system, so they could carry the water from the north to the south. And then late in 1940, when the government decided to improve the construction of the Levadas, they could use the water not just for irrigation, but also to generate electricity. So we have about 10 hydroelectric power stations in Madeira. As I said, the majority between 400 and 600 meters from the sea level. So the water from the Levadas heading like a funnel to a pipe system, heading down all the way down, gaining speed to generate the turbines. And then once generate electricity, there is a main Levada. Next to it will take water headed to the east or west side of the island. We have about 1,400 kilometers of Levada, which is 50 kilometers there through tunnels. Levada is the person responsible to look after the Levadas, to look after for the maintenance, and is also responsible to divert the water from the main Levada to the secondary Levada. When we have the system we call Giro. Giro, this is the time of the year, from April till late September, on the driest time of the year. You use the water for irrigation. So the Levada, every sort of 15 days, is going to divert the water from the main Levada to the secondary Levada. The farmers, they can use water for the irrigation, but they don't use it for free. They need to go to a town hall and to pay a fee according to the size of the fields they have. They're going to apply to use the water. It can be minutes, it can be hours. So as I said, we're going to be heading to the Risco waterfall. We're going to see the waterfall, and we're going to do a small break there. You can have a quick biscuit, a piece of chocolate, a piece of fruit or a banana before we carry on heading to the second Levada where we're going to do our picnic. When it goes, you used to smell it. This is a fungo. Lauroporidium lauri. It's a gul. It's a fungus. When you see a tree with this particular fungus, yeah, you do know, guaranteed, this is a bay tree. This is a laurier. Analisa, Amelka, easy. Slowly. They're hiding inside, yeah, like the bridge. Look at that, look. That's a good size one. Over 12 centimeters. Good to go to the pan fryer or to the oven. Yeah. We are 90. Imagine everyone starting again. What will happen? Like a domino. Mind your hands, please. We have to put some traffic lights on the other side. Oh dear. Never mind. We have time.
Esses seus cabelos brancos, bonitos, esse olhar cansado, profundo, dizendo-me coisas, num grito e ensinando-me tanto do mundo. E esses passos lentos, e agora caminhando sempre comigo, já correram tanto na vida, meu querido.